installation episode brought to you by my discarding tata jack of all trade, expert of nothing. Welcome to my channel. This time I'm gonna show you step by step how to install your newly bought dishwashing machine. This is a new dishwashing machine. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to install this step by step. Okay, first thing to do, before you put it inside here, before you slide here, make sure the height, adjust the height. Okay, like this, right? If you're gonna push here, see, it should be, you need to adjust the legs of this machine, because this one's gonna, you need to screw this over here inside your countertop here, under your countertop. So you need to adjust the legs. Okay, this is the legs, right? You need to unscrew it. Okay, like that. Both sides. Okay. And the other side too, right? Okay. This one is not like a heavy machine. You can do it by yourself. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, we're gonna try it again. Okay, that's good enough. One is connect your electrical connection. This is the electrical connection. Make sure you have the outlet, or like this. If you have the outlet box, you need an extension, just like this, and then connect here, and then you have the male, right? All you need. But some connection is just like from there, number 14 wire out to the wall, from the wall goes to here directly. This kind of power source, I do have this outlet box. Okay, that's why I'm using this. First thing to do, just to remove this cover in the front. And now you can access the electrical box and the water line. Okay, we're gonna remove this. Okay, it's already removed, the electrical box. Okay, how to connect this extension? Okay, this one is the ground, right? Connect the ground, but first of all, you have the connector for this. The hole, just to hold this wire, goes in here, like this one. Insert this one. Okay. And then insert the wire. Okay, done. See, it's getting stronger now. Okay, so connect this one, the ground, to this. Tight this, right? And the two wires here, the black and white, goes to black and white too. Okay, remember the black is the live wire, okay, and the white one is the neutral one. Okay, like that. And you need this. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay, now put back this cover. Okay. Okay, that's it. And then next is your water supply. You should have this kind of connector. This package is not included with this washing machine. You can buy this one separately. Okay, this connector, this washing connector is just like there's two connection attached here. This one and this one. This one comes with the two connector. This one and this one. And this kind of washing machine, this kind of model is for this one. And then attach this one. Turn. Okay. And then make it tight. Okay, that's good enough. Make sure it's tight, okay? Okay, I think that's it. And then we're gonna push it in. And then plug it in the source power, okay? And push. There. And then the water supply is in the basement. Okay, for here, I just insert this. The source of the water is in the basement. So I just insert this over here. Okay. There. And the drain too. In the basement too. Okay. There. Let's go to the basement. We're gonna install the connection there between the water supply and the drain. Here's the water line. Oh, it's good enough for, it should have a shadow bulb. Mayroon talagang shadow bulb siya, separate. Kailangan, just in case if there's a leak, you can shut it off right here. Connect this one. This is the water line supply. Okay, it's connected already. So make sure it's tight, okay? Then the next one is the drain pipe. You can see it's too long, so maybe you can take it up right there, right there. So you can disconnect here. There's a coupling there. Disconnect and change the whole thing. Okay, remove the old one and change with the new one. Okay, disconnect started already. So we can insert this. This is the new one, right? Insert this right there. Okay, tapos na. Nilagay ko itong clamp. Mahigpit na yan. Okay. Para walang leak. Tapos buksan na itong valves para sa tubig. Para i-pandarin na natin. Testing natin. And then we're gonna check the leaks. If any connection have a leak. Okay, make sure no leak. Balik tayo sa taas. Tapos pandarin natin. Yan na. Pero kailangan natin i-screw ito muna. Okay. And then we're gonna remove all the things. Ayusin natin. Yan. Tapos yung manual. Tapos ito, alisin natin. Tuloy natin. Tapos may kasama pa siyang mga dishwashing liquid. This one too. Tapos ngayon, i-screw muna natin ito para hindi siya gagalaw. Hindi pagiwang-giwang. Oh, kita mo, pagiwang-giwang. Yan. Matibay na. Naka-screw na ito. Yan. Yan. Then, pandarin na natin. And then you can rip this one off. This one, just only the cover, right? This one. Okay. Okay, pandarin na natin. Ayan, lock. Tapos, normal dry. Normal wash. See? Ayan na, nag-start na. Narinig niyo ang tubig, yan. Ibig sabihin, may tubig na lumalabas. Wait. Ayun. Narinig niyo, nag-washing na siya. Ayan. Tapos, titingnan niya sa lalim. Check natin kung anong leaks. Importante yung mga connection. Kailangan yung mga connection talaga. Tingnan nyo. Lalo sa tubig. Kung mag-leak yan, sira na naman yung bahay. Tuyong-tuyo naman siya. It's already dry, so it means there's no leaks, right? So, one, no leaks. It's good. We're gonna check the basement. Okay, this one, the connection, shut off valve, no leak, and the drain pipe, walang leak din. Di maayos, maganda. Yan, maandar talaga siya. Pagdating dito, tapos na siya, tapos mag-dry na siya. Hanggang dito na lang po. Ito si Madiskarting Tatay, Jack of all trade, expert of none. Sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa akin, maraming salamat po. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo. Please keep sharing my videos. I hope mayroon kayong natutunan itong sa araw na ito. Paano pag-install itong bagong dishwashing machine. Okay? I hope you enjoy the show. See you in my next video. Bye bye.